as we look out for the ECB decision to drop, and it drops right now, leaving rates unchanged, 0% on the refi rate, 0.25% on the marginal lending facility, and negative 40 basis points at the depot rate. The big story, not the bond buying program, it's the forward guidance around rates. The ECB sees rates at a present level for an extended period of time. They drop the reference to or lower. So the ECB emits guidance that interest rates might be cut again. So rates unchanged, but it was always about the forward guidance around rate policy going into this. The previous line said that rates will remain at present or lower levels for an extended period. This time they emit the guidance that interest rates might be cut again. The ECB stands ready to increase size, duration of QE if needed, and the ECB will run QE until inflation path has substantially adjusted. So the headline so far is that the ECB has dropped a reference to lower rates in their forward guidance. Looking at the reaction in the market, euro-dollar grinding slightly higher off the back of that decision. Bund yields now still negative so far. If you just get the intraday price of the euro, we're at 112.29, off by about 0.25%, a marginal push higher. Let's just get into that with you, Vasileios, very quickly. It wasn't a base case for the market, but it was your base case over at UniCredit.
Yeah, that's right. I think there was really no justification for the ECB to keep on holding into that reference of possibility of lower rates, because nobody really believed that it would actually manifest, and especially now that growth numbers are picking up. In terms of the market reaction, I think it's marginally positive, the euro, on the face of it, but I think the market would definitely wait until the press conference, because Draghi has demonstrated that he has the ability to talk one way or another and affect the market. But as I said, I think marginally positive on the surface. I wouldn't get too excited, largely because I have to also bear in mind that we have an extended long euro positioning in the speculative market, especially the change over the past 5 weeks has been almost unprecedented. So marginally positive, but again, not hugely.